I'm surprised yetimi aba power 2 years in yekwe no obi etimi awia Ghana sika sani amoka wo campaign platform NDC
Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TV GH so wo frɛ me adwoa searching ebusuafo abranti a oda screen nsi me gidi ye pass nipa bebre mu ehu no na abranti we started say o kasa no o started as businessman na his excellency the former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo egu n'adwuma kra. That is how he started. Ntina manfo bebre kire so onye NDC ni nemu no he thinks about Ghana. But you see these people no almost start to say almost kasa just know where they are coming from. It's either they support party A or they support party B because Ghana obi andwe omane ho obi akasa for nan kasa ni selfish interest and as any self gain inti and or kasa na media brand to na no ye mehi papa because no says you tini nya adwuma nye wona nado his excellency the former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo no pension nti no che se yen twega kran kwato Flagstaff house na yen hye NP before mu go hoyina and then John Dramani Mahama his excellency about 2 years akokɔ ne ntakra kra on fa bi ntu fam na Ghana youth bi anya biaye yet he's still sitting on the internet and fully like no one's business. Or the ensembia to draw or say
in the MPP for diska MPP for wieska and MPP for ya kronfo and a gift your worry and a dubu ahene and a hwan and a bedia too and a hwan mububo ding like you people were just talking. Was it just talking? Hey, Senkrofwe can say when it comes to legal, ye near lawyer for. Say no correct. I'm surprised. Yetimi aba power 2 years in yekwe no obi etimi awia Ghana sika sani amoka wo campaign platform NDC. I'm surprised. The Attorney General is not doing anything to me. Listen, people, a man for listen and and there are so many evidence. I actually say Cecilia da Pamoni adia aye boni and say aso twitimi ba serve as deterrent magana fo hu say boni ana krono ana corruption enye. That was one of our biggest campaign promises. So be aware di crazy kabia be making sure say ye beji Ghana sika eniti na moye bibia ye friend ora ene akosi sen eye kasa sana mo kasa keke ayeni. Listen, we will not allow anybody to frustrate this party. No, and this in your beer, the opposition here, the amount. Nobody owns this party. A Congress party. Yeah, you can't tell me someone fast tracking on your man. No one yai ni amoye and I got legal process. Hey, yen na yako to me manantiko for the past 20 years. Muti minchre and yakosu wako to yen kolao. Aden se body no to share yenim sa abin. Nyemu na mbekere se body to share embin yenim sa abin ti na ahye. Then ekoso Godfred Odamiti opposition o making sure say they be on am court. No person jail at forcing because na dwuma person ye no. Maza, uni bibi. Momi anhani anye nyoma yi. Mo promise Ghana for say MPP for collapse your mind nti mo bagi sika na amomo. That is the biggest promise. Inye is a ho asem ni yeka o. And a man is about to see the nya no ni yeka o. A man fu awia kro ni sika ye agi ye sika. Ya pese ye wuso obi gina court ye twe na agi ye sika. That is the bottom line. That is what we want to see. It's not about talking. Yet here and on back at say energy ministry cable to be crofo awia na sa asam no ma sate. You people think we are stupid. We shall see. Ya better share. Oh, they say, wow. Wallahi. You better share. Share cocoa board. Most MPP for na collapse cocoa board. O ma disike o nyina. And a cocoa board ugu. And a randia the person revamp cocoa board. And the MPP for disika. And o na washa white. And the year Thanksgiving. And a nipa cocoa sika kamune yesu. And you mu wicked NDC. Say nipa bi na di cocoa board sika se na na mo kanu no And a normal say white Thanksgiving. And a kuafu gun wura no more bread. And you wicked and weak as people.
So, like seriously, people like you now, some of the youths look up to you. Is that how you think? So seriously, you thought to say John Dramani Mahama and NDC for they were campaigning say NPP from Penifuni be Edu Pigana, so they are just coming to put them behind bars. Now, more says that campaign or name, you know, they were just doing propaganda. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, a communicator. And then when the man is talking, Nasa will be a wash out some of the Konyan. You could clearly see that the man is just a liar. A liar. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, excuse me, but you were a liar. He knows Ghanaians. Into Nimasama or Kaibeto Ghana footing number 12 abano a day amano. And I am shocked. I'm surprised how some of these youths are just going about saying that they are disappointed in His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. They are disappointed in this current NDC administration because they promised them that when they come to power, they are going to put some of the NPP leaders no more this kind of behind bars. Now, person be catch them say more Jimmy correct because when I hear some person who say politician be catch us or betchini yoku politician be atuma obwa NDC for now some of the NDC youth including you are also why you're disappointed in NDC government anymore. Just pick your phone, put on Google, search about Saglemi project and unim obachi John Dramani Mahama no president no to asin NPP for now NDC card. Search about double salary and you will know that these politicians are just thieves and robbers. They are just lying to you. In free, Mahama so obema mo adwuma 24-hour economy. Na youth no bia nye bia ye wo Ghana ha. It's getting to 2 years. 24-hour economy shim. Ekokwa nketenkete. I remember during the campaign time, you know, ekokwa nketenkete no one of the major campaign na Ghana ni bia na no. Mahama so obema ye kokọ where are the ekokwa nketenkete? Ya to Obama president. We are appreciating His Excellency John Dramani Mahama for the fact that we have peace. Say you all born man who buy us all we do not know, but all we know is we have peace, and we appreciate that. Aside say what peace, you know, nothing is going on in the country. I mean nothing, absolutely nothing, nothing. Because koko akwafo wontua wonka wase koko fo obati mumpe nisu omo ntua koko fo ka nurses omo atra omo akwa adwuma wontua wonka teachers omo atra de wontua wonka unemployment apose teachers na nurses omo akwa school egu fie 4 years 5 years they are still in their houses omo employ omo nya adwuma. I am asking say what is government what is government you know is about what? Because I know as a president today, minor broker, national policy benefit Ghana full member, provide maybe at least those that they are working to help the nation, those that they are working to help you, the president, and as a president, a teacher is helping you because or chama of de knowledge, no money education soon no yen It is any by your money young kwasi amani no. We're dedicating one so and a paid Jaria course classroom a papa chade. The teachers notes no more prepared Mokotra, USS and Mokotrade 1 year beer and Camejo. Teachers notes being a woman no marking of exams in a near mark as a 7-1 would the teacher would. Na wakwakotra de untua neka His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne appointees ko appointee omo kra oba be ma oko 2 years they have not been paid. I am not lying. I have evidence that John Dramani Mahama ne appointees no most of them have not been paid. So what is government about? Onye kwan unsi school agenda 111 aken rem enwo na enkotre na omu dumagro and na nurses sugu fi omu nya adwuma nye. And what is preventing the government is that completely of course NDC from NDC NPP from so bomb to be Jimmy senior just on money Jimmy sa penfo be Jimmy sa no mo na NPP did be a can yes or mo because at least all the policies ban a boa man no na NDC for John Dramani Mahama wa ba wo 2 years kwa 3 years na 1 year ba 4 years aba ye beto aba bibi anko so kokwa akuyafo obi kura se ne ku ewu obi sine na ya ne ya opeska kwakota adu me wa moto opposition mo se John esesensi na na dan kwaku for this on man ho atwere nti wa bo pensioners omo sika ho obesi nti no mo ama yanso anko adidi wo mem but mo de mo abaye de say as men trust of a cancer men trust of one na media and atam media wi
because a very simple say as at last year last quarter na MPP abanda Roma project started say yen to good ngo na good no
to that gold pictures program.
Yes, the gold purchase program of Dr. Baumia LDM and MPP abanda says yen to good ngo because it was a Britain money didn't say more musika ho didn't say a lot of good reserve and support to musical. I say good no go out me I say ejina wachi
Yes, Yachiba.
It's Yachiba papa it's me to be because my go there be any sport into I say there be na ye ho kire Dr. Boy me this our policy by say yen to gold ngo NPP abansha say near to gold they go over 31 tons of gold
From 8 tons.
from 8 tons so about 31 tons aban
Aban buy saw the 7 tons account.
yes so em say o man no nyina to ha o mu dey say ma be come market 38. So last year, abaning adwene eka say opese o ton sa gold ni bi. Now, it may be na say sa ho kire ba o man ni mu na say bi opese o ton gold ni bi. Sometimes it's allowed. But the time o ton gold no, we didn't have any problem. In fact, international reserve na ko high. Because sometimes o ton gold ni bi now they are short up on international reserves. Na so high say we didn't have any reason to sell our gold. Last year, any cotton gold, at the price of $3,500 per ounce. Okay, just about 5 months down the line. Oh, by us gold near to a person sell cotton gold, a social cotton gold for at $5,000 per ounce. And we are asking ourselves, now a dear na a man more fast adwene because look, see I can say we say to force and policy no the by so the policy for abasi and koto gold. Policy anya dey decide in a day. Policy idea it takes time.
It looks at the nitty-gritties, the pros and
Exactly.
cons.
And some idea about parliament. Yeah. We are sure. Say 5 months ago, they all knew say we still needed to buy gold and store it as a reserve. They knew say we needed to buy gold. And so the question is, I didn't think they were good. Wo bebre. Wo wadwene won dey say you hear more. Now san cotton at the lower price. Knowing very well say gold prices were going up. Gold prices was going up and wo cotton at 3,500. Na eney abedru 5,000 so yen san cotton gold na ton ye no.
Yes, Obabaka.
Na say ukra ofun. Wo cotton fun 3,500. 5 months down the line, me here phone. No asa koto phone no 5,000. Omoka. As simple as that. Me fan say phone e good. And this year buying 5 months ago, omokoto on 3,500. I feel omo say ye here phone biem. Inti ensa koto no, ye koto phone biem at 5,000. Why sika na de koto Ghana for sika. So the suspicion is that omo be phone say ye tono. Omo tono 3,500 no. Eno mo di koma kwa kumensa. Fatuho. Gold ni pay ya no si yes beto. Inti beto no 3,000 beto 5,000 now. Wuni pa na oto no 3,500 no. So enya fa so.
To ye no beche.
Ye no beche.
No na mo that's what you are alleged.
Exactly. And nothing ye ka say omu emra we have a lot of questions